Q81. How many minutes in an hour? A. 50. B. 60. C. 100. Answer. B. 60. Q82. How many days in a leap year? A. 364. B. 365. C. 366. Answer. C. 366. Q83. In Roman numerals, what does X stand for? A. 1. B. 5. C. 10. Answer. C. 10. Q84. How many meters in a kilometer? A. 100. B. 1000. C. 10,000. Answer. B. 1000. Q85. What is the largest one-digit number? A. 1. B. 9. C. 10. Answer. B. 9. Q86. What is 10/div10? A. 0. B. 1. C. 10. Answer. B. 1. Q87. How many items in a dozen? A. 10. B. 12. C. 24. Answer. B. 12. Q88. How many grams in a quarter of a kilogram? A. 200. B. 250. C. 500. Answer. B. 250. Q89. How many grams in half a kg? A. 250. B. 500. C. 750. Answer. B. 500. Q90. What is 99 plus 1? A. 90. B. 100. C. 1000. Answer. B. 100. Q91. What is 7 / 7? A. 42. B. 49. C. 1956. Answer. B. 49. Q92. How many years in a century? A. 10. B. 50. C. 100. Answer. C. 100. Q93. What is 10 to? A. 20. B. 100. C. 1000. Answer. B. 100. Q94. Write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 as multiplication. A. 5 times 2. B. 5 times 4. C. 5 times 5. Answer. B. 5 times 4. Q95. What is the square root of 100? A. 10. B. 20. C. 50. Answer. A. 10. Q96. What is 2 times 3 times 4? A. 9. B. 12. C. 24. Answer. C. 24. Q97. How many times can you subtract 10 from 50 to reach 0? A. 4. B. 5. C. 10. Answer. B. 5. Q98. Write 1/10 as a decimal. A. 0.1. B. 0.01. C. 0.10. Answer. A. 0.1. Q99. What is 1000 times 1? A. 1. B. 100. C. 1000. Answer. C. 1000. Q100. If you have 5 apples and eat 2, how many are left? A. 2. B. 3. C. 5. Answer. B. 3.